Good morning, friends and family. What we don't see coming is that someone is leaving our life. This is just a warning of a problem that might pop up. It's either now or later. We must seek out more information that will help us in this area. We need to make the changes that are positive for ourselves and set healthy boundaries, just as easier for us. We have strong emotions, sometimes love and sometimes hate, but we're receiving a load of love from the spirit guides and angels in the heavens. And there are brighter beginnings coming our way. They want us to know that every storm comes to an end and the abundant universe is going to provide for us. We must stay in the here and now. Our hearts are filled with love, deep affection, and caring, and slowly but surely we are winning the race. Spirit has our back, and we must carry on moving forward with positivity, and we are going to triumph over troubles and obstacles. We're taking a vacation either mentally or physically, and we must believe that there is increase in material wealth and in our spiritual growth. You must make yourself your own priority and reclaim your independence. There is happiness and brighter prospects coming your way. Once again, someone is leaving your life or a situation is coming to an end. They say in this situation, someone is going to behave stupidly, but they say yes, it's the right thing for you to do. They're going to guide you on that path. You will successfully overcome this problem, and the world awaits you. They want you to know that now is your lucky time. And your loved ones say, become the true you. Show the world who you really are and what you were born to do. Have a lovely Tuesday, everybody. Love you all.